If you want to earn $7 per download, watch this video with me until the end. The first thing you can see first is that this platform has paid more than $765,000 to their users, and if you check the proof of payment, you can see that hundreds, if not thousands of people every day from $1 to $100 through PayPal payment, and even they are paid in Bitcoin. And other cryptocurrencies are also available. Now you can cash out from this platform. Before we get back to this platform, we just want to open a Google document. You can go to Google and go to docs.googles.com and just open a new document, and you just want to label it like that for now, because we're going to come back to this document so you can turn it into a valuable piece, convert it to PDF so you can earn money from it. Don't worry, you don't actually have to sell that PDF. You don't actually have to sell anything to actually get paid with this website. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now the main platform is called file-upload.com. This is the real platform that has paid more than $675,000 to its users. And if you go to the payment certificate again, you can see that thousands of people are paying through this website. Now, how this website works is basically a free storage space for data and files, so you can use it as Google Drive. You can upload your file here and you can store them absolutely free. Of course, there is a limit on the amount of free storage, but that's not the main way we want to use this great. We can storage our files for free, but the reason you want to use this website, you can keep your file private when someone downloads them, or set them up, actually pay you, and then get paid as soon as someone downloads one of them from you, so you can go all the way download and just click earn, and it shows you that you can upload 10 gig for each file. It shows you that depending on where the downloader is located, you can get up to $7 per 1,000 downloads. So it depends on which countries they are from. Countries that download your file get paid $7, and almost all other countries get paid $3, which again is fine, because again you're not selling anything. You literally get paid when someone downloads your file for free. One of the advantages of this site is that the minimum payment is $1, so you don't necessarily have to wait for a week or month to receive your salary. And of course, you can cash out in different ways, including PayPal and other methods, including digital currencies, so you can find at least one decent way to get paid from this list. So all you have to do is click on the sign up button and choose a username and password. After you create your account, the dashboard looks like this. As you can see, we can upload up to 117 gigs of free data and free files on this platform, and you can track your account balance, and you can see exactly how much money you have achieved. Obviously, they say for a brand name, but that will change when you start using Google Doc strategy. And also there are different ways to make money with this platform. Also, you can shorten links and get paid by clicking on your link. But you can also download your file when you get specific money, and to choose how you actually want to get paid. You just want to go to the configuration on the left. You want to choose how you want to get paid. Then if you want, you can just enter your information. And you can also choose payment method in this section. If you want to receive money through PayPal, you only need to enter your email address. Remember to click on save setting at the end to receive money for your file that you want to go to. You can upload file from this section, and it is the section that pays you for uploading files. But we want to make documents so that people will find it useful to download it from you and from your file upload account, so that you can get paid over and over again. And what you can do, go to YouTube and search for different free courses. You can find many free courses on YouTube on various topics. They usually last between 13 and 70 minutes depending on what topic you are working. All you have to do is collect a bunch of free courses that are actually valuable, and then copy their URLs and save their thumbnails, so you can prepare a comprehensive document of free courses with their links and thumbnails, which I have already prepared. And now this is how you can order these documents and make them look more attractive. But the thing is, you want to create a Google Doc that has the least 5 and 10 different things that you can give away for free. So if someone wants to start an online businesses and you have all these different free courses and you set up on Google Doc, so it can be really helpful, and then they'll find it. It is worth at least a few dollars, but it can be downloaded for free. And finally, you can save this file in a PDF format. And you can easily upload this file on this site and post it link on social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and other social networks, so that many people download it, so you can earn money online.